Hello everyone, this video is a microscope accessory tip for all of you interested in optical microscopy. To give a bit of a background, photographs are an essential part of your petrographical descriptions. They show your key observations like alteration, microstructures, textures, minerals, and so on. However, the challenge of the normal single photo micrographs are their field of view. And in order to view, for example, textures and microstructures, it is highly beneficial to have a full scan of your thin section. The accessory that I'm going to present is a budget-friendly 3D printed motorized XY thin section photography stage called PiAutostage. It is a wonderful piece of equipment that you can build yourself with relatively low amount of tools and in budget. This stage was planned and published by Steiner and Rooney from Michigan State University back in 2021, and I will put the link to the description. It is actually an open access publication including all the 3D printing files, instructions and shopping list in addition to the Python code which runs the stage. I built this stage about a year ago and have used it quite a lot and managed to get publication quality scans from my thin sections. So if you are a person who likes to build and make stuff and interested in optical mineralogy, this is a great piece of equipment that you can build around 200 euros with overall costs covered. Of course, you need access to 3D printer if you don't own one. The stage itself is consisted of the base, which controls the x-directional movement through the gears. Thin section holder is attached to an arm moving in the Y direction. X and Y direction are moved by 9G servo motors that are really common and you can get them around 4 euros a piece from electronic stores. Motors are connected and their movement is controlled by microcontroller which is connected to Raspberry Pi single board computer through which the stage is operated. In my setup I have a Raspberry Pi HQ camera attached to the microscope through objective tube. The stage is operated using Python code provided by the PiAutostage publication. You can modify the parameters such as the XY movement boundaries, step sizes which control the amount of photographs you end up having. When run command is given, the stage will go through the 4 preset reference locations showing you the video of your thin sections in order you to adjust the focus of your view. After this, the stage will start automatically take photos from the area you selected with the step size you have chosen. The current video is showing the stage movement through the thin section with 2000x the axial speed. With my current setting, it will take a bit more than 10 minutes to go through the whole section. After photographs are taken, there are a wide variety of softwares that can be used to stitch the images together. In my current setup, there will be around 300 images that I need to stitch. Here you can see the final product of the high quality image of the whole thin section. The great thing about this stage is it is a budget friendly and if some part of it breaks you can easily replace it by printing a new piece or buy a new inexpensive electronic part. Personally I've broke couple servo motors which did cost me around 8 euros to replace.